Hello! It's such a pleasure to see you again on the Great Garden channel. Many orchid lovers often wonder why, when first purchased, orchids always bloom beautifully and vibrantly. But after a period of care, they no longer flower as they once did. The reason isn't that orchids are difficult to grow, it's simply that we haven't yet found the right method to awaken the hidden vitality within the plant. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple yet highly effective method. By making use of familiar ingredients from your kitchen, things you might normally throw away, you'll be amazed at the transformation of your orchids. They will quickly develop new roots, sprout strong shoots, and bloom with flowers just as stunning as when you first brought them home. Are you ready to explore this with me? Then let's get started right away. The ingredient I'm using today is lemon. Do you often use these lemons in your kitchen? After squeezing out the juice, most people throw away the peel, not realizing that for orchids, it can actually be a valuable source of nutrients and even act like a natural medicine to keep the plant healthy. I will finely chop the peel of a lemon like this. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. If you don't have yellow lemons, you can absolutely use lime instead, as their effects are quite similar. All of the chopped lemon peel will be placed into a clean glass jar. Then I'll add 500 milliliters of boiling water. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Wonder Garden. By subscribing, you won't miss any of my upcoming tips and secrets for growing beautiful, healthy orchids. Boiling water helps extract the essential oils, vitamin C, and other beneficial compounds from the lemon peel, while also eliminating harmful bacteria and fungi. After that, I will seal the jar tightly and let it steep for 3 hours so the solution can reach its best effectiveness before being used for the orchids. The next ingredient I'll be using is rice. Rice contains many polyphenols, calcium, magnesium, and various vitamins that are essential for the growth of orchids. These nutrients not only help the plant stay healthy, but also stimulate the formation of new roots, keep the leaves lush green, and make the flowers bloom more beautifully and last longer. I will take 3 tablespoons of rice like this and put them into a clean glass jar. Then I'll add 500 milliliters of boiling water. The hot water will help soften the rice grains while extracting the nutrients from the rice into the water. After that, I will seal the jar tightly and let it sit until the water has completely cooled down. Step 1. Before watering the plant with the liquid organic fertilizer solution, I always recommend giving the orchid a light watering with clean water first. Many people often skip this small step, but in reality, it is one of the key secrets that helps orchids absorb nutrients more effectively. When you water the plant with clean water first, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened. This step is very important because it allows the fertilizer solution to penetrate slowly and gently down to the roots instead of draining away too quickly. As a result, the orchid has more time to absorb the nutrients effectively. In addition, pre-watering helps protect the roots by preventing sudden exposure to a concentrated solution, which could otherwise cause root shock or even damage. In addition, giving the orchid a light watering with clean water beforehand also serves another important purpose. It helps wash away any dust, debris, or mineral salts that may have accumulated on the surface of the roots or within the growing medium from previous waterings. If these residues are left unchecked, over time they can harden, create blockages, or even cause stress to the root system. By rinsing them away, you create a cleaner and more breathable environment around the roots, which is essential for healthy growth. At the same time, this practice helps limit the spread of harmful bacteria and fungi that thrive in stagnant, dirty conditions. With the medium refreshed and the roots cleared of buildup, the micronutrients in the fertilizer solution can penetrate more efficiently, ensuring that the orchid receives the maximum benefit from every drop of nourishment provided. After 3 hours, we will strain out the residue and keep only the clear extracted liquid. Do the same with the rice water as well. After letting it sit and cool completely, strain out the solid residue and keep only the clear liquid extract. This way, we obtain a clean and nutrient-rich solution that can be directly used for watering orchids, ensuring that the plants receive the full benefits without any leftover particles that might clog the growing medium. I will continue by diluting the solution with 2 liters of clean water. The combination of lemon peel and rice water creates a natural fertilizer that is highly effective for orchids. Step 2. After rinsing the plant once with clean water, I will now use the organic solution made from lemon peel and rice water to water directly at the base of the orchid. As the solution seeps into the growing medium, nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, vitamins, and polyphenols from the rice, combined with the essential oils and organic acids from the lemon peel, will be quickly absorbed by the roots. This process not only stimulates the root system to grow vigorously, producing many strong and healthy new roots, but it also enhances the ability of the roots to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. As a result, the entire orchid becomes more resilient and develops with greater balance. In addition, the organic acids found in the lemon peel act as a natural antibacterial agent, helping to suppress harmful fungi and bacteria, while at the same time protecting the delicate root tips from rotting. When watered directly at the roots, the orchid will receive a rich and steady source of energy that allows it to recover quickly after periods of stress or weakness. This nourishment doesn't just stop at helping the plant regain its strength. It also supports the growth of glossy, vibrant green leaves, encourages new shoots to sprout with vitality, and prepares the entire plant for the crucial stage of flower formation. Over time, the nutrients gradually build up a stronger root system, giving the orchid greater resilience against environmental changes. In addition, the plant gains the vitality it needs to push out radiant flower spikes, with blooms that are not only beautiful, but also last much longer. This simple step may seem small, but it plays an essential role in ensuring the orchid develops in a balanced, sustainable way, setting the foundation for continuous, dazzling blossoms season after season. Step 3. I will take a portion of this solution to wipe the orchid leaves. First, I prepare a clean cotton pad, dip it into the solution, and gently squeeze it until it's just damp enough, avoiding any dripping water. Then, I carefully wipe the entire surface of the leaves, both the top and the underside, following the natural veins of the leaves to prevent any scratches. Regularly wiping the leaves with this organic solution brings multiple benefits. First, it helps remove dust, residue, and small spots from the leaf surface, allowing the leaves to absorb sunlight more effectively and boost photosynthesis. This gives the plant extra energy to grow stronger. In addition, when the nutrients from the lemon peel and rice water solution are absorbed through the leaf's epidermis, the orchid receives a direct supply of minerals, vitamins, and organic acids. These elements help the leaves become thicker, greener, and glossier. Another important point is that the mild acids in lemon have natural antibacterial properties, helping to prevent mold and suppress the growth of harmful insects on the leaves. At the same time, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins from rice water nourish the leaf tissues and stimulate the growth of healthy new leaves. Leaf wiping also works like a gentle massage, keeping the leaves breathable, opening the stomata, and allowing smoother gas exchange. With this simple care method, you'll notice that orchid leaves are not only clean, glossy, and vibrant, but also stronger, with less yellowing or wilting. This is one of those small steps that delivers a big impact, helping the orchid maintain lasting vitality and preparing it well for the upcoming blooming season. Step 4. I will pour the remaining solution into a misting spray bottle to continue caring for the orchid leaves. When spraying, I make sure to mist evenly from the top down to the base, covering both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, since the underside is where most of the stomata are concentrated. The tiny openings that allow the leaves to absorb nutrients and exchange gases most effectively. You should apply the spray in the early morning or late afternoon, as these are the ideal times for the plant to absorb nutrients most effectively. Spraying at midday, under harsh sunlight, can be harmful. The water droplets left on the leaves may act like tiny magnifying lenses, causing sunburn damage and robbing the leaves of their natural, healthy green appearance. Misting the orchid leaves with the organic solution made from lemon peel and rice water not only provides direct nutrients through the foliage, but also adds a gentle layer of moisture, helping the plant feel refreshed, especially during hot, dry days. This fine mist acts like a nutrient coat, covering the entire leaf surface, enhancing photosynthesis while keeping the leaves firm, glossy, and supple. In addition, the organic acids in lemon provide natural antibacterial properties. And when sprayed evenly on the leaves, they help limit the growth of mold and harmful bacteria. Meanwhile, vitamins, polyphenols, calcium, and magnesium from rice water supply essential nutrients, strengthening the leaves and stimulating the growth of new shoots. For the best results, you should maintain this method every 2 weeks so that your orchids can consistently absorb just the right amount of nutrition. Finally, place the orchid in a well-ventilated spot with gentle light but without direct, harsh sunlight. The ideal location is near a window with a sheer curtain or under the canopy of another plant, where the orchid can receive enough light for photosynthesis while still being protected from the harmful effects of intense sun. Results after 3 months of application. After 3 months of using this method, common problems that many orchid growers face, such as weak plants, difficulty in blooming, uneven flowering, or blossoms that wither quickly, have been significantly improved. The root system has grown strong, bright white, and widely spread, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively. The leaves have become darker green, thicker, and glossier, showing vibrant vitality. Most notably, orchids that previously struggled to bloom have now begun sprouting flower spikes, and some even carry fresh flower buds, promising a blooming season that is far more radiant and long-lasting than before. When you water the plant with clean water first, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened. This step is very important because it allows the fertilizer solution to penetrate slowly and gently down to the roots instead of draining away too quickly. As a result, the orchid has more time to absorb the nutrients effectively. In addition, pre-watering helps protect the roots by preventing sudden exposure to a concentrated solution, which could otherwise cause root shock or even damage. What do you think about this organic care method? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know your own experience, and don't forget to follow the channel so we can continue exploring more effective orchid care tips together.